Hi guys, we celebrated World Water Day on last Wednesday, that is 22nd of March. But we also celebrated Gudi Padwa on the same day, and I couldn't meet you to talk about water on that day. So today we're going to talk about how water is important. We all know 72% of our bodies are made up of water. So yes, they play a very important role in our health. Now, water doesn't just keep you healthy physically, but it also plays an important role in keeping you mentally sharp and happy. Water is part of your blood, your hormones, your fluids, your joint lubrication. So water really helps in keeping your spinal cord, your brain functioning fine. It helps keeping your joints intact and well lubricated. It also helps in good digestion, better absorption, good nutrient content in your body. It also helps in keeping your skin clear and healthy by keeping your body detoxed. So water really plays an important role in clearing all the toxins and detoxifying your body. Be it urination, be it perspiration, your water plays an important role in carrying all those toxins out. Water improves your kidney function. If you are dehydrated for very long time, that is going to damage your kidneys. It is also important for health of your eyes, for all your nerves, because dehydrated person has neuron irregularity. Drinking a lot of water and being good hydrated definitely helps in keeping your weight in control, because all the toxins are getting thrown out, digestion is good, absorption is better, and your overall health is good. Your metabolism increases because of that and keeps your weight under control. Drinking enough water also helps in blood pressure regulation. When you are dehydrated, your blood pressure goes haywire. Now, as we all know, our hormones also have water as a base, and that is why drinking enough water helps keeping our hormones regulated. And hormonal regulation means all other functions, your physical functions as well as mental health is good, isn't it? So drinking enough water is going to keep you healthy all in all. But yes, there are a lot of discussion about how much water to drink. A lot of people who are saying that drinking water can damage your health. There was a recent report which said that Bruce Lee died because he was having too much of water and water killed him. So yes, knowing how much is also very important. As we always say in life, anything too much is not good, however good that substance is. So drinking too much water is going to damage your body. That is true. So drink 3 to 5 liters of water. Never go beyond that, because there are a lot of water soluble vitamins and minerals in our body which get flushed out if your body is overloaded with water. They get dissolved in water and get flushed out when body is trying to get rid of that excess water. So make sure that you're not drinking too less, or you will have issues with dehydration. But also you are not over drinking it and flushing out all the required nutrients from your body. So guys, water is very important. It's important for plants, it's important for animals, it's important for earth, and so is it important for human being. So on occasion of World Water Day last week, let's pledge to drink enough water, maintain healthy habits, and keep our health intact. So guys, I'll see you next week with some other wellness topic. But till then, take care. Bye.